going on, everyone? It's Marcellus. I'm back with another video. We're just going to do a little short technical analysis on Baby Doge, showing where Baby Doge is going to get now and the progress that we have overnight. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's go over this. So let's talk about what we had going on yesterday. So we formed this little pattern here, and this was from the video yesterday. And actually, you can see we're still following through on this pattern. And it seems like every single time we hit the bottom of this pattern, we start to go up in a price here. So expect the baby Doge to go up temporarily inside of price here, back up to the upside of here, probably around 1170. That's probably what we can see now for baby Doge. Right now, we're at about 1117. So we're probably going to end up seeing that. And we're actually nearing the end of this pattern. So you're probably going to end up seeing baby Doge either breaking out of this pattern on the upside or the downside. So pretty much prepare for some major movement, whether it's to the upside or downside. If it's going to be to the upside, you will see it probably end up going up to 1250. And if it's going to be to the downside, then what you will see is the next area down here for baby Doge. And that brings us back down to where we were before, 1000000, or you can just say 8Z1 if you want. But yeah, that's pretty much where the bottom side is going to bring us. And then the top side is pretty much going to bring us to 1250. And then if we are going to continue to become bearish from there, then you'll end up seeing 9Z9, which is this whole area right here, which is 9 zeros and a 9. And also 9Z7 if it goes a little bit lower. Then if you see it continuing to become bullish from there, what you could expect from baby Doge for the bullish side, if it continues to move up for the upside, is eventually up here at about the 1350, 1370 area, somewhere up there. So yeah, that's pretty much just what we're going to do here. And then you can also see from up here, 1630, if we continue to become bullish there. And remember, baby Doge swap is still coming on the 5th of October. So it's going to be pretty easy for us to become bullish if we actually are able to do that. So that's just something you got to keep eye out for. I just wanted to mention that. So this is just a really short update. But Bitcoin is what we really want to look at here. As you can see here, the moderate activity here for Bitcoin, it shows it's moderate right here. And we're actually at the support area. And there's also higher activity up here. So you actually could see Bitcoin possibly going back up to the next area, which is about 19.3K. But if we don't, then it would probably continue to go back down here. Expect 18.6K from there if we cannot break 19.3K again. Because look, we already got rejected over here on 19.3K earlier yesterday, and then we also got rejected the day before yesterday, and then we got rejected again earlier that day. And if you scroll back, we got rejected again. So we keep getting rejected at the same area. So this probably is going to invalidate all those bullish thesis that everyone has, and probably is just going to end up sending us straight down to 18.6K, and then eventually down here to 18.2K. So that's what I'm expecting here for Bitcoin inside of the near short term. Now, as for the 4-hour chart, you're seeing right now that we're inching closer and closer to the support down here. That pretty much you can see 18.2K. Even when you're looking at it from the four-hour chart, you're still seeing that it's showing that we're going to be going down to 18.2K. So you pretty much want to prepare for the lower 18Ks and then eventually 17 to 16K. But look over here on the oscillator, you see there's less and less buying here for Bitcoin, which is a bullish signal. That's why it says, or I mean a bearish signal. That's why it says bear right there. So this is a bearish signal. We're probably going to see this continuing to go down a little bit more from here. So I'm expecting 18.2K, like I said, inside of Bitcoin, and then eventually lower. It still stands in play. I'm still going to keep calling it out. 11K to 14K Bitcoin very soon. So 14K on the higher side for our support, 10 to 11K on the lower side. And you can also see here on the oscillator, it's showing that there are bullish movements here, but you got to think about it. Like, we're probably going to end up having this drop bringing us all the way down there. And then from there, I could see bullish activity bringing us all the way up to here, and also having this high activity area over here. So we're still going to be bearish here inside the overall crypto market. I'm still expecting to see these pullbacks. So anyways, 18.2K Bitcoin coming very soon, and then 14K Bitcoin, and then eventually even down to like 11, 10K Bitcoin. And also, you got to think about it, baby Doge as well. Baby Doge is still going to be doing the bearish movements. Everything is going to be bearish. So I just want to keep telling people this, because a lot of people are saying we're about to be bullish soon, we're about to take off, and a lot of people are lying to people for views. But hey, I notice when I speak the truth, it gets less and less views. You can see on the channel right now, speaking the truth, how it's going to become bearish, getting less and less views. I did the same thing with Luna Classic. I said it was going to get to 2.2 area. And actually, if you look at Luna Classic right now, it's at 2.2, just where I mentioned it. And I got a lot of hate saying that it's going to get down to 2.2. But hey, I'm just going to keep speaking the truth here. And if you want to stick around, stick around. If you don't, you don't have to. But yeah, I still think Luna Classic has potential here. I'm going to make a Luna Classic video next. And I also still think Luna Classic is eventually going to get down to the 1600 area as well. So we still got to prepare for that. And yeah, I still think it's probably going to end up pulling down here and possibly even adding on another zero. And that's also another unpopular opinion. But yeah, I think Luna Classic is going to add on another zero eventually. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I'm going to keep making these videos, going to keep telling the truth, and I'm going to keep bringing this news to you all. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, I'll be back with another video.